Okay, today we'll install this green touch trimmer racks. Vamos a instalar estos for my weed eaters right here, and I also have that one, the blower rack para la sopladora, también nueva. Vamos a instalar aquí, install them all in here. I drilled some of these yesterday, so I had to stop just because I noticed that these bolts are not long enough. So I went to Lowe's and got some new ones, 3 inches. These are shorter. They're not, because here it's they're just not big enough, guys. Gotta get some different molds, especially for this one, this trailer. So anyway, I'm gonna keep going. All right, I'm gonna install them today. Okay, so no voy a leer todas las instrucciones, pero aquí vienen these instructions if you need them. So it says about the distance about 36, la distancia de 36. So that's what I'm doing. Make sure you use a pen or pencil. I already got my measurements. .36. Make sure you set this first. This is a 3/8 bit. Yeah, 3/8. Okay, I got them installed. Están instalados ya. No más que voy a decirles algo. Estos tornillos no sirven. Los que vienen tienen que comprar otros más, porque este está grueso para el mío, no sé el de ustedes. So you guys see the main trouble I have, even with the other trailers, the screw is not big enough. See, this is the original screw. Look at that. You barely have a little bit to screw. You now have really nothing. This is the one I got from Home Depot. So you have to get a 3 inches from the Home Depot. These screws are 2.5. They don't work. They're real small. That's what you see right there. See right there. You don't have nothing, barely catching this knot. So if you're watching Xtreme rack, please make your screws a little longer. These screws are not big enough, not long enough for this type of trailer. This open trailer, which is 2 inches. See, you got 2 inches wide thickness. This is 2.5. Plus you have the thickness in here, another 1/4 inch thickness. That's why it leaves you there. So yeah, green touch trimmer racks. If you listen, make your screws a little longer, bolts. It is wrong. Again, man, has some butter hands. Man, see, this is the problem I have. These two things hitting each other back and forth, too big. They heat when they meet, they hit each other. So, but anyway, I got them in. Alright guys, almost done. Casi ya terminó. Este plate, this plate, make sure when you drill, make sure you put your screws, your bolts here first, and then put your plate just like that, and drill the hole where you have the plate there. This on this end, make a hole here, don't go all the way through, just stop, move your plate and put the plate on the back side, and do the exact same thing and drill it from that way. That way you know you have two holes on the right spot. So that's what I got. Got them all set up, man. And I'm gonna put this plate here. I have two plates, as you can see there, because the next one here, la otra aquí, para que lo agarre bien. So that thing will work perfect and will stay more sturdy. Just like that, it still holds, but they can break, you know. Okay, so I got it done. Ya terminamos. It takes a long time, man. But there they are. Now we gotta do the next one. This one right there. La siguiente esa. Here it is. Aquí está. Alright, let me get it from the box of this box. We'll get it done. Okay, so there it is. Ahí está. No lo puedo instalar todavía. This is how I'm gonna install it. You guys can put it however you guys want. Don't put mine just like that. So yeah, that's where it's gonna go. And you can see there's the bolts, or screw, cell-tapping screw, bolt, and cell-tapping screw. I won't put these cell-tapping screws first to hold it in place. Just this one right there. See it? Cell-tapping screws, they will go there. Make sure you put that in the center. Asegúrate que lo centres bien, que esté bien centrado. Y ya los pones. Esto le falta un poco. Still need to center this better. It's off a little bit. See, it's not right in the center. It needs to be like right here. Off a little bit. All right. Ahí está. Got it done. And also why it's already screwed with the cell tap screws. I drilled these holes just one here and the other one over here. I just two here, one here, one here. That's plenty enough. Plus you have the tail tapping screws there. That's gonna hold it. But I gotta go get some more those long 3-inch screws for Home Depot and put them in there. Cause the ones that, like I say, the ones that come with, they're not big enough. They're not big enough, guys. Look at that. I just barely coming out. Just barely coming out. So yeah, that's what I need to get. And I gotta put this section, the next one, which is that one right there. Okay, so I had this, and one good thing, guys, make sure, asegúrense that you put your blower here first and adjust so you can see where the first screws are gonna go. It looks like it's gonna be on the third hole, because I had to lift this up a little bit. Right now it's resting in there, so it's gonna be on the third hole. See right here, got it right here, but I gotta lift it up a little because right now I got it resting. I gotta go to the third one, el tercero. There it is, guys. Ahí está. Make sure you check both of your blowers, which I have a Echo blower. It's smaller than this BR 700. This one's just right. See that right there? There's no space. That one I have a lot of space underneath. And I cannot, if I drop it, it will be, this will not fit in here. Asegúrense que esté todo. Chequen sus dos sopladoras si tienen dos. Esta grande queda bien. Y aquella queda también bien. So that's it, guys. There it is. Nice. Everything pretty much is new. I have a lot of things left. Muchas cosas que no ocupamos. And you guys know these are for enclosed trailers or to be on the side. Or on the side right here. So that's all. Like I said, was not gonna show everything because it takes a lot to show everything, you know. So I finished with everything, guys. Terminé con todo. Done. That was great. It took me a while, man. It took me a while, but it looks good. Hey guys, what do you guys think about my new hat? Oh yeah, nice. Look at that. Pretty sure you guys know where this come from. I want to show you guys this thing. Let me turn this around. Hold on. We do have a new. They put a new armor coated protection on this new green touch, so they're not gonna fade, I guess, like they did on the last ones. So I think this one's gonna be better. Alright, I'm done. I gotta pick all this junk and put it up. So throw me some comments, some likes, guys. So that's it, guys. One thing is that the bolts, I don't know why I kept saying screws, they're bolts. They're not long enough for this type of open trailers. And green touch, if you're listening, your bolts are not long enough for this square tube, not even a round tube, because I have a round tube trailer before and it didn't work. So your bolts need to be longer, okay? Green touch, if you listen or watching this video. And for you guys, you have to go by, if you got a square tube or round tube that's like 2 inches wide, you're gonna have to go to Home Depot and buy the 3 inches bolts for this to work. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Si eres nuevo, suscríbete. Hay más videos, more videos coming. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later. One time, guys, I forgot to mention this new weed eater rack, this new trimmer racks. They don't have the little clip that they used to push, and you were able to put the weed eater. This ones, they don't have it. See, let me show you. I noticed that. See this little clip? This is what I'm talking about. This clip, they took that out, and they're not here on these new ones. Look at that. It's on this. Oh, I had them on the old ones. See it right here better. Look at that. You see the clips right there that you used to push right there? They don't have it no more. So these new ones don't have that. I noticed that too. I guess make it all easy. But I noticed they're more flimsy. See that? They wobble more. Se mueven más. See? I don't know. We'll see. Alright. That was it, guys. Just wanted to update that. Okay. We'll see you guys in the next one. Adios. Salon. Arrivederci. Bye.